Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like. Just want to do a little video of the TAUBIK family. So this is the first time we sold the TL, which is on the left, and the Tour. So it's kind of like, actually, TAUBIK doesn't really have the same colors in multiple models, and this they do. So we have a really lovely husband and wife picking up basically like the his and the her of, although they're all unisex, we know that. But what a nice, beautiful pair of bikes, and matching color to boot. Well done, TAUBIK. Well done. You guys are awesome. Look at that. It's so cute. So cute.